there is no bread nor wine. Is it a mitzvah of the 3 meals?
Okay, so all right, that's a good question. I would say, okay, so here's a question. Let me just repeat the question for everybody. So on Shabbos we have a special mitzvah to enjoy Shabbos, and how people enjoy it. We're physical human beings. We enjoy with food, right? Normal people enjoy food, right? It's good food. Why not? Right? So HaShem said, eat on this day 3 meals. But the meal does not have like proper. The meal should consist of bread, minimum of bread, all of the 3 meals, but and plus all other extras, right? But if you don't have bread, so you still have 3 meals without bread. The only thing, so if you don't have a bread and you don't have wine, you would not be able to make Friday night kiddush, right? Because you can do only on the bread or wine or mizoines, but that's it, right? But if you don't have any of those, so you're patur. You just start eating whatever you have without kiddush. What can you do? And during the Shabbos day, you actually can do kiddush on Hamar Medina or coffee, on tea, or like soda or something, milk if you don't have anything. So you can make kiddush, okay. But you can eat other foods, so it's going to be counted as 3 meals.
But I was assuming that a meal will require the after blessing of Birkat Hamazon.
No. Only it's there are some mitzvahs that we have is optional only if you're in that situation. So if you're in situation, if you want to eat bread, yeah, you have to go wash your hands, and you have to do all of the mitzvahs, say the blessing, and say the Birchas Hamazon. But you're not obligated to put yourself in that situation. You understand? I mean, unless it is, as we say, kiddush. Okay, so yeah. It's not Birchas Hamazon is not definition of the meal. It's consequence, like because you eat bread, but it's not strictly necessary. Yeah, go ahead. But it's a good question.
I thought that yes, but I thought it was intended that we must say 3 times.
Birchas Hamazon? No.
Because of the 3 meals.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
like it was mandatory.
Exactly. I mean, it's proper to have bread in all 3 meals. Yes, and if you have bread 3 times a day, so you would say 3 times Birchas Hamazon. You're right, 100%. But if you don't, so you don't. But you still ate. You still enjoy whatever you ate during these 3 meals. That's the proper. HaShem wants to enjoy. And some people, I have some students, so they cannot eat this bread, right? The bread meaning from this, they have problem with gluten, right? So the bread they have, it's not hamotzi. So they have this, what is it, rice bread or something. So it's shechakol, basically. You understand? But still, that does not mean that they are not going to have meals. What can they do? Understand?